Just when you thought it couldn't get any better in the world of open source AI, DeepSeek dropped 1 week later a brand new multimodal model called Janus Pro. This is the first time I've ever seen a model be able to have vision, take in an image, and actually answer questions about it. But not only that, it can also generate images, all in the same model, and it's a relatively small model too. This is a 7 billion parameter model that you can easily run on your own computer. Completely open source, completely free, open weights, what a time. DeepSeek is claiming the Janus model outperforms both Stability's models and DALL-E from OpenAI. Look at this. So we can see the average performance of Janus Pro right up here at the top. Number of parameters sitting at 7 billion parameters. And then over here, we see it compared to SD3 Medium, SDXL, Emu3 Gen, and here it is in this purple striped line, better than all the others. Let's try it out. Now, take a look at this. It is the #1 trending repo on GitHub right now, the Janus Unified Multimodal Understanding and Generation Models. And I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna show you what it's capable of. But before I get into that, look at all of the top 5 repos on GitHub right now, all DeepSeek. So DeepSeek is absolutely crushing it right now. So I wanted to get the fastest speeds possible, and I'm loading it up on Vultr today. You know, Vultr has been an amazing long-term partner of this channel, so happy to load this up with them again. They are partnering with me on this video once again. And so keep in mind, Janus Pro can both take in images and answer questions about them, but also generate images. I, again, really have never seen that before. So let's test it out. And powering it is the AMD Instinct MI300X. And you're gonna see how fast it is. And I'm gonna give you a promo code at the end of the video where you can get $300 in free credits with Vultr right now. So I have it loaded up. This is Gradio, simple interface, but of course you can spin up any interface you want using Vultr. These are bare metal GPUs and you get to play around with them any way you want. You can throw any single interface on top of this that you want. You can also hit the API endpoint just as easily. So first, let me show you the vision capabilities. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is have it explain this meme, and hopefully it gets it because this model that I'm running doesn't have web search built in. Obviously we could add that, but it doesn't. So hopefully it understands what this actually means. And so here's the meme right here. DeepSeek slapping OpenAI. So I loaded it up and I simply say, explain this meme. Hit chat, and here we go. All right, and there it is. So this image is a humorous meme that uses a well-known comic book scene to convey a message about DeepSeek VL, interesting, search engine. Here's the detailed breakdown. Visual elements, parody. The DeepSeek is also prominently displayed. OpenAI is visible, meaning suggests that DeepSeek is actively interacting with or attacking OpenAI, implying a competitive or adversarial relationship. So that's really good. All right, next, I'm gonna have it read this essentially process document and convert it into code that I can run. So let's see if it's able to do that. Basically what happens is we start, it chooses a random number, we guess it, it reads the guess, it tells us if it's right or wrong, and then does it again. Very simple, but the point is it is converting this diagram into actual code we can run. All right, so convert this into Python code we can run, chat, and here we go. Very easy. Okay, that was very fast. I'm going to highlight this code. All right, so there we go. I just pasted it in. All right, guess a number 1 to 10. 2, wrong guess, try again. 4, 6, nope. 7, nope. 10, there it is, you won. So it was successfully able to recreate the code from that diagram. Pretty impressive. Next, we have a screenshot of an Excel document, and I'm gonna have it converted to CSV for me. All right, there it is, there's the CSV, and just looking at it, it looks perfectly correct. Very fast too. Because again, this is a small model. So very good performance, not only because it's a small model, but also because I'm running it on AMD chips on Vultr. All right, next, one more explain the meme. Here's the meme, startups, bunch of people working, getting their hands dirty in the ditch. Big companies, one person doing the hard work, everybody else supervising. Let's see if it gets it. It is a visual metaphor comparing the roles of startups and big companies in the context of innovation and problem solving. Left, group of people working collaboratively in a trench, digging and inspecting the ground. Right, image shows a similar group of people working in the trench, but the setting appears more formal and structured. The focus seems to be on efficiency and coordination with a more hierarchical structure. That's not quite right. Let's see if the interpretation is right. Startups are often depicted as being more agile and innovative. Yes, taking risks. Good. The collaborative hands-on approach on the left image reflects the startup culture. Good. Big companies are often seen as having more resources and established processes, allowing them to tackle complex problems more systematically. No, that is not correct. Okay, so that wasn't a good answer, unfortunately, but still, overall, pretty darn impressive for a 7 billion parameter model. Now, let me show you the image generation capabilities because those are quite impressive. All right, now check this out. On the same exact page, don't have to load the model again, don't have to load a different model, all the same thing. Here we go. We can simply write a prompt. All right, so the first prompt, astronaut in a jungle, cold color palette, muted colors, detailed 8K. Yeah, so these are pretty good. I wouldn't say they're mind-blowing or anything like that, but it is nice to be able to run this locally. Let's try another one, a glass of red wine on a reflective surface. All right, so here it is. Pretty good, pretty good. All right, so overall, I think the model is pretty darn good. It's a small model that runs extremely efficiently and extremely cheaply. Plus, it's completely free. Load it up on Vultr, get it running at blazing fast speeds using the AMD Instinct MI300X. And remember, you can also load up DeepSeek R1 in full, unquantized on Vultr. You can load up DeepSeek Coder, you can load up DeepSeek V3, or really any open source model that you want. Go ahead, load it up on Vultr. They've been a great partner to me, so I really encourage you to use them. And remember to go to getvultr.com/forwardfutureai and use your promo code Berman300 to get $300 in free credits for your first 30 days. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.